Welcome. Today we're going to work on paper plane 26 of our 100 Exotic Paper Airplane Challenge. It's the Barn Flyer by Paul Jackson. This is the Heap Art Origami Show. I'm your host, Wilson Lee. Here at Heap Art, our goal is to help you practice origami on a regular basis. Every week I'm going to choose at a minimum of 2 origami models and show you how to fold them. One of them from our 100 Exotic Paper Airplane Challenge, and the other an origami model that's never seen before on our channel. So remember to subscribe and click bell for notifications so you don't miss any of our tutorials. Now back to today's model. It's the Bar Flyer by Paul Jackson. Enjoy! This is the Bar Flyer by Paul Jackson. If you have an extra few minutes, please check out a few more of my videos. If you like the video, remember to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I'll be delivering more videos like this every single week. And once again, thank you for watching and see you next time.